Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and today I'm going to share you our new GHL Code Snippets library. For last 2 years we are building code snippets for GoHighLevel platform. Okay, so GoHighLevel is one of the best CRM platform now for marketing, building website funnels, and a lot of other things like automations, AI related component. Okay, so there are so many things they're doing, which is really awesome. Okay, but here in GHL SaasKits we are trying to make the missing piece of GoHighLevel. Okay, there are no platform out there for CRM especially which is fully completed. Okay, because each of the software focus on a very specific things. They are trying to solve the specific problem for their clients. Okay, so it's normal to have some missing features always in every single CRM system. Okay, and for GoHighLevel we are working to make things that actually missing, and most of the clients are looking for. Okay, like some kind of sliders, the animation, and so many things. Like, so we already built a lot of code snippets, and currently we have over 200 different code snippets in our GHL SaasKits code snippet library. If you are already a pro member, then you already know that you may experience or use our pro code snippets. But the thing is, what we always trying to do is to make things simpler and easier. Currently all of our code snippets have need some tweaks. Okay, most of the time to change your CSS class, CSS IDs, or sometimes URLs, and so many things. Okay, so there's actually a critical part for the non-tech savvy people. Okay, so if you are not a programmer or a developer, then you don't you may get stuck somewhere. Okay, even though we have tutorials for every single course snippets. Okay, we are also supporting you when you to our support team. We are trying our best to help you to install the course snippet. Okay, but what we are working now. Okay, so you can see here, this is the new course snippets library. Okay, and in this library we are trying to make things so much easier. Okay, so let me show you an example. Okay, so here we already have added some course snippets. You can see here, like the light and dark theme. Okay, so now you can add light and dark theme into your GoHighLevel like this. You can see, so when you switch, this is your normal GoHighLevel page. Okay, but when you switch to dark mode, it added the dark theme. You can see some components get changed. Let me show you this one. Okay, this 3 card. Yeah, here's the default GoHighLevel design, but when you switch to the dark mode, it added some animation. This is the button color. Okay, and also the card color, as well as the border radius. It also added some shadow. Okay, so these are the things actually changed. Okay, so this code snippet you can use. Let me show you how you can do this. Just go to the code snippets. Okay, let me reload the page. I think it's needed. Yeah, okay, so here we can see here we need to add some classes to the section. Like for the default, you can use this class, dark mode section. And for the row, GoHighLevel has some kind of a structure to build your page. Like, this is your section, and inside the section you have a column. Okay, which is actually row. Okay, you can take 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, or whatever number of column you want. Okay, this is your row. Let me get one like this one. Okay, this is the row. If we click this blue settings like here, then you can see this is 1 column row, and inside the row we have a column. If I click this pink gear icon, then you see here this is the column. This is actually the flow of the page structure. Okay, so here you can add the section class like this one. Let me add, just select your section, go to advanced and add this class like this. And then for the row, okay, if you want to add the dark mode to your row, then you can add this class. Let me show you. Let me add some content here. Okay, for example, let me add a headline, a sub-headline, and let me add another image. I think, well, an image, and after that I'm going to add a button. Okay, so now if I add row CSS class, okay, the dark mode row, this CSS class, and then add it here. And also I'm going to add one more thing to show you. Okay, so now I'm going to add another headline, sub-headline, and image. Okay, and I'm going to copy this one. Okay, so now we have another CSS class called dark mode card, right? So if we add this one like here, okay, so the column is my card, let's say, okay, but you can add the class anywhere you want. Okay, so this is the structure. Okay, so inside the section I added row, inside the row I add content, okay, column and content as well as. So this is how the structure. Okay, so and also we have some other theme style, like you can add the dark mode style 1, style 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 different design. Okay, so let me generate the code. All you just need to select your domain, okay, and then your code is generated. And you can also set the dark mode default light mode or dark mode, whatever. Okay, so default is dark light, but you can change this to dark. Okay, so let me copy the code, go to the website, and then open the header section, put the code. That's it, you are good to go. Let me save it. Let me preview. Let's see. Okay, you can see this one is added, the card design, okay, as well as the column design. You can see the column card is added. If I switch to light mode, this is the normal design. Okay, so this way you can add the theme. Okay, and then let me show you a few more things. Inside the platform, you can also add now the gradient background color as well as gradient text color. So if you want to add a gradient background color, all you just need to select your section where you want to add the color, gradient color, get the CSS ID, go back here, put it, and then your code is ready. So now you can add this. Let me do it here. Okay, I just tested some code. Here is it, it's added. You can also change the opacity if you like this. For example, let me get another one. Let me get this one with this color. Okay, so as soon as I just copy and go back here, I will add this color here. You see here, this is applied. So this way you can also really easily you can add the color. You can also add the text gradient color. You can also add the button gradient color, whatever you want. Okay, let me show you. For example, you can see I added a gradient button color here. And also you can add box shadow, even though GoHighLevel already have box shadows. But why we are building this, because let me show you the example. I think that will be easier. Let's say for example I want to add box shadow here. Let me add some color, and after that if I want to add box shadow, and there is the default values, right? So it's really hard. Okay, so if you don't know what the exact value you need to put here to make things good looking, then you need to spend some time to learn this, right? So that is the reason we made some pre-designed default box shadow. Okay, so all you just need to copy the uh, code from here, and you just put it into your GoHighLevel. That's it. So guess all you just need to select, yeah, the box shadow, the one you want. You can see we have tons of different template already. So you can change the color if you want. You can change all the values also, but our preset is already fine. It's really easy to use, right? So that is why we build this. And also we have the option to add your domain. All you just need to go here and put your domain. That's it. Okay, and we are just going to launch this system next month, I think April 1st. Okay, we are working now, but as a community member, just I want your feedback. Okay, if you like this, and all our premium members will get access here, okay, already. And also our free members who want to join, they can also join to this. Okay, so we will share the link and everything as soon as possible. Okay, but this is just for the overview, and I want to let you know. Okay, and if you want to get access to the beta version, okay, then you can also comment to this video. Okay, we will give you the link. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.